What's up, guys? Westback Auto Mafia Racing. We're bringing you some F150 stuff today. We got a brand new exhaust system. We're calling it the Street Sweeper. Now, I've been running it on my truck for about 20,000 miles. Sounds fantastic. Doesn't really have drone, and it's going to be one of the cheaper ones in the market. So you guys are going to love this. We have 100 of these in stock, ready to go. We've been building them, stocking them up, getting everything ready. So we're going to show you how to install it. Alrighty, guys. So here you go. This is what's included in the kit. You have a universal mount, so if you want to position it in a different way, you can. Or if you have a different truck, since this can fit more than just the regular cab F150, it can fit the extended cab and the 4-door. It's just going to be at a different spot on the truck coming out the side. And where we have it on the regular cab, it's going to come right here through this notch. And it comes out right here in front of the rear tire with a little turn down. So we've already pulled the exhaust off. You leave it at this point, okay? So you leave this resonator on, or that muffler. All the cat system stays in place, but right at this point, we just have a slip fit where this is going to slip over it, and then we're just going to put the clamp on it, which I don't have the clamp shown. We're going to put the clamp on it and then put it up into place. Now on this side of the truck, we're going to include this M8 bolt and the speed clip. We're going to slide the speed clip right through that hole like that, all the way through to this point, and then we'll put the bolt in. And that's going to hold this. So I will do that real quick and show you. So to install it, guys, I'm literally just sliding it as far as I can up here, and we'll put a crush clamp on to pinch it down onto there. But once you got it on there, you can just slide it up like so. And that's going to be virtually in the position where we're going to have it. Okay, but we'll shove it as far forward as we can onto here, and then we'll put the clamp on. So as we're looking at it, I have it all loose now. We're just going to put it in the lower hole that speed clips in. We got our 12 millimeter on 13 millimeter on there. And now all you do is you just make adjustments to lift the pipe up to where it needs to go by adjusting these nuts top and bottom. So run it all the way up to where you think you need to go, and then work your way up, making sure you got clearance, and then tighten your bottom, and then you can chop that off once you have the right setup how you like it on your truck. Alright, guys, here is the almost finished product. Now we can walk this up even tighter. I like to leave a little gap. That's how she looks. Nice turn down. And then we're going to take the cutoff wheel, and we're just going to chop these off with a little bit of room for where we want it. Now you could flip this bracket if you don't like how it looks, as well as flip that up there. There's multiple different holes, so we could put it up there higher and not cut this if you wanted to. We're going to cut this one because that's where I like it, but your side profile looks about like that. It's pretty slick, sounds great. And we're going to get this front clamp on. We just misplaced it. Let's put a front clamp on that one. Same U-bolt clamp, easy. Tighten it down so you don't have any leaks. Fire up, she'll sound good. Alright guys, so it's really simple though. The only tools that we need to install this are a 13 millimeter socket, deep well, a 14, and a 14 open end. You can get everything tight. Oh, looks good. We'll put it down, fire her up. Yep. Good.